What's up, Chrissy Crew? It's your girl Chrissy, and I'm back with another install. Stay tuned to the end of this video so I can show you guys how I achieved this look. Let's get right into it. I haven't talked to y'all in a long time, so I'm gonna take this chance to go ahead and catch up with y'all. So I'm definitely trying to start back on my journey for YouTube. I've been working on other social medias. I like YouTube. I like editing on occasion. So for my bald cap method, it's really nothing too special, y'all. Depending on how I'm feeling that day, I use glue or I use spray. And today I'm using spray. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go on with whatever you could go on with whatever foundation you use for your face. A cream foundation is really good. I'm gonna use my Maybelline foundation in the color 355. I don't put that much. I don't know what style I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my whole cap. And for those who don't know, I actually started doing hair now, so I do people's hair stuff, you know. I was always too scared to do that, but now I does that. So follow my Instagram, follow my business page, tell your friends. And I'm actually planning on going back to sewing hair too. Let's go ahead and cut this cap. Oh. So now that we've done the ball cap, I already went ahead and plucked it, bleached the knots and all that. I'm gonna go ahead and comb it out. I can see what I'm working with. It's the whole T-pin in here. Try to kill me. I'm gonna go in with some of the remaining makeup on the brush and just put it inside there. It's so short, y'all. I'm also a hookah girl, so I'm gonna go ahead and put like 4 or 5 layers on because I need this to stay. I did clean my forehead with alcohol before putting this on, so I'm gonna wait till this dries clear and then we'll move on to the next layer. This is the last layer to dry. And I honestly gotten so much better. Like if you see like my first install on this channel to like now, you're gonna be like, practice makes perfect for real. Alright, so it's time to put it on. Alright, so now after laying it all down, we're gonna go ahead and flip up the little tiny pieces that don't have any glue, and it's like up. You don't want that. Put them on the back of my hand, and then we're gonna just go in. Now we're gonna go ahead and take the band and put it on again. This literally looks like my natural hair curl pattern. While that's drying and stuff, I'm gonna go ahead and wet this hair and see what it's going to look like for real, so I can decide what hairstyle I really want to do. It's giving those 2 balls like that. You know what I'm talking about? Can y'all imagine it? Y'all can imagine it? Alright, we can do that. I'm gonna go ahead and take my wax stick. So I'm going to do this to this side. I'm going to do that to this side and this side. So now I'm going to use the same exact foundation that I used on the lace and the cap. So I don't have my black spray. I don't know where it's at. So I'm going to just use this Quick Cover Root Touch Up by Kiss. I'm gonna go ahead and do baby hairs now. Wow, I just stopped talking. It's like when I'm doing tutorials, it's like I'm so focused, I just forget to talk. I need to work on that. I do have Gorilla Snot and mousse, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some Gorilla Snot on it first. And then I'm gonna go in with my mousse. Like, play with your mother, not me. Look at that. I did the other side and my camera's about to die, so I'm gonna try to hurry. I sectioned off all the unwanted hair that I would want to get into this ponytail right here. Brush it up. So after doing that, I'm gonna take two of them. Nala! Come on, my camera's about to die, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side and I'm gonna come back. I'm back now. Still don't know if I would do like bantu knots or like the puffy kind of messy bun. I'm try to do a little puffy bun and see how that goes. This is like, I don't know. I feel like the hair was more, oh my god, this is cute. So this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you guys for tuning into my YouTube channel once again. I really do appreciate it. If you guys want to see more of me, please do like, comment, subscribe, and follow all my social media that will be linked in the description box. I do mini tutorials, all that on my other platforms, Instagram, TikTok, all that's down there. I also show you guys some mini clips of me doing my client's hair. If y'all do want to see more clips of me doing my client's hair on my YouTube, then I can definitely do that as well. If you aren't subscribed yet, do subscribe now. I am trying to be on here more with you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off and start getting ready because I do have things to do, people to see, and my camera's about to die. So thank you guys once again. I will see you guys soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow my social media. And don't forget to stay tuned, okay? Mwah.